Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a video to try to give you guys a little recommendation here of, things to do to take your mind off of what's happening right now around the world. Situation everywhere is complex. Here in Montreal, we are, almost everything is closed, and there's really nothing much to do except, be home and use a computer and go on the internet. And I want to first give out a warning to be careful because computers and internet are fantastic things, but it's easy to be too much overdosed by all the news that's happening. So this video is to kind of let you know that, there's so much you can do on your computer and on the internet that is going to take your mind off of all that's happening. So why not, take some of your favorite subjects? People often, I've seen that as a tech guy, a lot of people have no idea what to do on the internet. And I always tell them, well, there must be something you like. Think of a hobby that you like. Think of anything that you find interesting. There's tons of web pages out there. There's tons of videos on YouTube of every type of subject and everything that you might love. You love animals? There's tons of animal videos, not just, the funny ones, but also, videos of, taking care of pets and stuff. Maybe it's stamp collecting. Maybe it's radio. Maybe it's, games. Maybe it's just, you've got something that you really like personally. Well, remember that the internet has tons of information, and I think you should limit the amount of news that's happening right now. Of course, stay informed, it's important, but take a lot of the time that you have on your hand to also go somewhere else, look at something else. Maybe here we're going to continue making, videos on the channel. Well, maybe it's time to learn more about your computer. Maybe it's time to learn more about how all of this works. Computer games are a fantastic way of just removing yourself from the real world. I personally just purchased a game on the Microsoft Store, which is really, really nice, which is kind of a mix of an adventure game and a adventure game. And, when you get into some of those games and when you get into, things like that, you kind of go into another world. You just, leave whatever life you have for a moment and your mind is in some, fantastic or fantasy world of some kind. So it's time to do that. It's time to learn more about your favorite hobby, your favorite subjects, and even play games. So this is my little recommendation for everybody to, relax and do something that's going to take your mind off. And your computer and the internet is a great way to do so. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.